What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the NRC Fender Eliminator on the 2025 Panigale V4. Before we get started, let's look at the tools I'm going to use. 3mm Allen, 4mm Allen, a T20 Torx, and a pair of side cutters. First things first, we're going to take the rider seat and the passenger seat out. Next, let's remove the taillight by removing this T20 bolt. Grab your side cutters and cut off the zip tie for the rear tail lights. Now remove your tail light and hang it gently off the side. Grab your turn signals and place it on the tab on the back of the bike. Now this is the tricky part. We got to feed these cables through here and bring them out to the side. And I'm going to try it with a zip tie. I'm going to zip tie them loosely and try to feed my zip tie through. And just for a reference, this is what I had to do. I grabbed one towards the connector and I left a lot of room and then I pulled everything through. Now, just carefully cut your zip tie off. And we're ready for the next step. Now we're going to place our taillight back in place, but don't bolt it on yet. Next, let's put the tail back on. Now let's connect our turn signal connectors. Make sure that you're getting the sides correctly. In this case, we already tested it. These are the left and right sides. And on the 2025, they've actually put left and right instead of SX and DX. Before we go any further, let's test it out. Left turn signal, right turn signal, and we're good to go on to the next step. Now let's take a look at what's included in our hardware kit. We have 2 longer bolts, 2 shorter M5 bolts, locking washers, short spacers in plastic, long spacers in plastic. We have 2 plastic bushings, and these pieces you see here, these are the bigger bolts and the lock nuts. These are to hold your license plate in place. Now let's grab our mount that's supplied in the kit, and we're going to start from this end. This is where the longer M5 bolts will go through. I'm going to do it one by one. Grab your plastic bushing, put it through, and grab one of these locking washers and just put it in place. Repeat for the other side. Now grab your license plate bracket, use the shorter M5 bolts, and feed both of them through the top bolts that you see here. Try to hold them in place and put the small plastic washers in. And now grab your base plate, feed your license plate light connector through, and have it just like this. And now we're going to put the thicker plastic washers in, and these locking washers will go in place. And just a tip, I'm using the back of a 1/4 inch extension just to push these washers through. Now connect your license plate light and place it in place in the tail, and try to hide your cables in the openings. Now just line up your bolt holes with your screws, and using your 3mm Allen, just start bolting them into place. And just try to stagger them as you go along. Now let's bolt our taillight back on, and let's put the seat in place. Now let's put the rider seat back on. If you made it this far onto our video, use code NRC5 on our website to save on your next NRC purchase. And the last thing left is to install your license plate using the provided hardware, and your 2025 Panigale V4 will look this clean. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.